This is my van, and this is its massive V8. June 2022, Southern California. Gas prices? That is a 5.4 liter V8. Let me tell you, she hasn't seen past 2,000 RPM in a very long time. Because it's a 350, meaning that everything is a little bit beefier on this van to be able to support the weight that I actually put in it. It's not like a delivery van when it's full sometimes, but when you deliver stuff, this is always full. Gas mileage? You don't want to know? I'll tell you anyway. In the city, 11.5. On the highway, it gets around 15, depending on which way the wind is blowing. Being a massive van on the highway, it's not very aerodynamic. And I have other stuff coming up in later videos, which is gonna make it less aerodynamic. Yeah, we're gonna get this puppy to go down to the single digits. I hope it doesn't. At this time of this recording, the gas prices down here in California, they're past $6 a gallon for regular octane. I basically just work for fuel. Luckily, I have a Costco membership. The main reason I have been using that membership is because of the gas. I don't even want to tell you. This van's tank is 35 gallons. If any of you know, with Costco, because we pay for the membership, prices are a little bit lower than the regular gas stations. Not by much, but when you have 35 gallons tanks, then that adds up very quickly, especially now. Number two, I don't let the tank go to empty. I actually fill up every week. It's usually half a tank, which is not as bad if I were to let it go down lower than that. Just lying to myself. But it does help. Number three, as of now, I don't take those nice trips anymore, like national parks and stuff like that. I like going there because it makes for good content, bring you guys along, they're fun to film. Those trips are a bit far in between. You might have noticed that I don't go out in the wild as much anymore. Which brings me to number four. I still work on the weekends in the service industry, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I have to come back to work basically to be able to afford this. It's obviously not free, especially with the gas prices. But then I have the 4 days to be able to do this and make videos and have fun. However, I can't really go in those nicer places that I would like to go for now. If anything, I would have to save a bit more to feed my thirsty 5.4 liter V8 beast. This point number 5 is that I try not to move as much anymore. When I go grocery shopping, for example, I'll buy more stuff so I don't have to like go back to the grocery market. But if I'm in town, it's not a huge deal. I can only stay so much in an area though, and then I'll move. It gets a little boring. I'll go to the beach for a few days, I'll come back inland for a few days, come to these parks. They're really close to where I usually stealth camp because of that. Point number 6, I don't pay rent. Even though with the high gas prices right now, I'm still able to save money, put money aside, or buy equipment for YouTube, do the things that I want to do to the van, which I'll have coming up in future videos. That's enough with that. What I'm trying to say is stay tuned for upcoming videos. Alright, that's all I'm gonna say. I usually don't eat out or buy coffee. While I say that, I have my Starbucks cup. But usually I make my own coffee. I make my own food for the most part. I don't eat out. That also adds up really quickly. Besides, if I buy food, I don't want to throw it away. I usually do like 1 week grocery haul, get whatever I need. For that week, I try to go through it. It all depends, of course, on what I buy. I actually do have a video about that, so if you want to watch that, check that out. Water I get for free in the state parks. Electricity I get for free, obviously, because I have solar panels and the alternator charges. The van is paid off. I just have to pay insurance, which is not a lot. She's not a sports car, for sure. I forgot what number we're at. But anyway, the next thing that allows me to afford this lifestyle is that I don't buy a lot of materialistic stuff because I don't have much space. I don't even buy many clothes. I just have 12 shirts and t-shirts, so it lasts me for 2 weeks. That allows me to save some money. I don't go shopping very often. If I buy things, I usually try to save up and buy more quality stuff. And it's not only just clothes. Any stuff that I buy for the van, for the most part, I try to buy high quality stuff. A good trick that I personally use, if I see something and I feel like I need to buy it right away, usually the next day I reevaluate if I need to have it at the moment or just maybe save up and buy it when I can. A lot of the times actually it'll go on sale. So that's a bonus. Check out this video, feel free to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.